Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You don't need to go to the eye doctor. The market is still open for another couple minutes. So yes, that candle right there is still changing. But for what I want to talk about, I feel comfortable getting started a little bit before the market closes. And that is the fact that the price has made a very nice recovery. Things were looking pretty sketchy, back around here when the price was down at these low points on Monday. But like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due. A very powerful bounce back, so certainly updates need to be made. The first update is more so just a little house cleaning here. So what I'm going to do is get rid of these lines both here and here. Yes, these levels still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But again, that first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the ideal level going forward is 4. I say ideal because it's not like if the price falls below there, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above $4 now, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 4 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there around $4.10. But in my mind, resistance levels really don't matter that much. What matters is what the chart has already been doing, and that is building higher bases. So as long as these higher bases continue to be built over time, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. So focus on healthy consolidations and higher lows and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.